Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wow, we are back with another iPhone video type of thing here. I don't even know where to put my phone. Let's put my phone like right here. This is amazing. This is my current wallpaper on my phone. We are getting this phone completely ready for fall. So, my wallpaper's here. We already have this wallpaper. What else must we do, guys? We need to change these little, like, character things here. All to, like, a maple leaf, kind of like a pumpkin vibe. Something more fall. So, if you're ready, let's go ahead and without any further ado, we're going to go on this hayride together for Halloween and get this phone ready for fall. Let's jump in. Hey everybody, so this is sick. I mean, it is just sickening. Whew, I cannot believe it's 8/25. Like, it's 8/25. It's August 25th, y'all. September 1st is the first day of school. It's exactly a week away today. Bitch. Y'all, I'm ready for this. Okay. So, let's get ready. I'm excited. Okay. So we're just gonna go on social media, take these little things away. I have some of my friends. That's my great aunt. This is my friend Gavin. Oh my god. This is Thug Life. And that's Ryan. Okay. Fix all that. Go on my Facebook and check out my notifications when Bell was live. Snapchat. Don't want my dog, y'all. He's like just really chewing some shit over there. We have a new chat from Kayla. Cute bitch. I'm gonna send everybody a streak right now using this amazing filter. Just take a picture. Look at that. Streak by Lexi. It's just so fucking cute. Okay. We're just gonna send it to some of my friends. Kayla James just now. Reply. Sophia Eliza M. Oh my god. So we're just gonna send some of my friends and get this ready. So I want to get all these little like red things, and I want to start doing streaks because, honey, it is time for streaks. What's going through my watch? Oh, a message. Okay. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. So these aren't all my friends. These are half of like some of my. These are on my recent lists. They're not all my friends. Okay, send them all. And bam, they're all sent. Look at this. All of my snaps sent. Oh my god. 4,956. Okay. So I think I want to mute video chats and messages for right now until I get back in there. Oh my god, they uploaded my picture yet? They liked my picture, guys. This one right here. If we go into who liked it, Sisters Apparel liked it. Yes. A whole bunch of people. I really want to be on their fucking list, but my picture is not good. This is my best picture, I think. Did Sisters Apparel like this one? Yes, they did. Oh my god. Thank you, Sisters Apparel. I love you. Okay. So, we got rid of them red dots. Let's go ahead and get rid of these. And they come up all the damn time. Like, I don't really ever play these games too often just because, like, they're fun and everything, but, like... Oh my god, bitch. I cannot... 3. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, now we gotta fight. Fight. Someone's typing to me on Snap. Somebody sent something back. I don't really know what they sent back. Okay, let's go see what somebody sent back. That's the only problem here with these little red dots. So, you sent me that for the second time now. Yes, I sure am. Have a good day. Love you, Barbie. What the hell's on her fucking story? Him. Fuck you, man. I can send you whatever I want. You're on my friends list. It's a streak. I did one this morning. I did one now. Fuck you. That's one from this morning, y'all. Well, don't tell you what time I sent it. Mind your own business, or I'll send it 20 more damn times. Okay. Back into games. I think we just gotta open piano tiles. Out. Yep. BitLife. Same thing. Open up BitLife. Close BitLife. What else? Smule. Open Smule up. Why is my phone getting laggy? Wobble Man. We probably have to download a little like thing for this. People are getting ridiculous. What's he sending me now? Honey, I don't got time for your shit today. Oh my god, he is typing again. And that's my great aunt. Snapchat. He's typing! Let's just go ahead and we're just gonna block him as soon as his text goes through. I love doing this. People get so mad at me because of it. They just waste all their time typing. I want to wait till they just send it and I block. And like all the chat just goes away. It's hilarious. Block. Bye, bitch. That's the other time typing it. Oh my god, I love doing that. Okay, food. Dairy Queen. Bitch. Dairy Queen's good and everything, but I don't really ever use the app. Okay, last one. What is that? How the hell don't... Oh, that's Hannah. Yes! Love you, girl. Mwah. Love, Hannah. Okay. Back into here, we have 3. Xfinity Connect is the Xfinity Connect app. We have Job Search, is a ZipRecruiter. I hate doing this part, but I have to include it in here because I'm doing it. So, you know. Last one, wherever it's at. Netflix. I don't really ever watch it on my phone. I morely watch it on the TV. I guess there's new coming soon. Okay. And we're done. Text messages. Okay, phones. Somebody called me. Okay. My settings. What is this? That stupid software update. I'm going to download it later. Okay. This is all handled. It looks like sleek and everything. Now we just need to go ahead and edit our home screen. Oh, really, bitch? No, you did not. Is there like a better like... Is there like a maple leaf, or are we just going to do the emoji, or what? I don't see like a maple leaf. I see a 4-leaf clover. Who is blowing me up now? God, people are just going crazy. Okay. Let's just go ahead and I'm just going to use the font. Let's use serif. No, it won't let me. Typewriter, that works. Okay, let's do social media. Really? Excuse me? You're gonna do me like that? No, 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 no. Bitch, we can't. That's not even... Typewriter, dude. Now, let's do a little maple leaf. We're gonna do these little leaves. They're cute. And now let's go in here, and we're gonna change this using fonts again, and we're gonna do games. Then I want to do a little pumpkin. I just want to go back and forth. Social media, pumpkin. And we're just gonna keep going with leaves and pumpkin. And now leaves again. And these are called favorites, so we're gonna just go ahead and do favorites. Favorites. And I think it's pumpkin? Yes. Utilities. Do that. Do that. Utilities. I think it's supposed to be right. Utilities. Okay. Utilities. That's how I spell it. Pumpkin. Oh no, it was a leaf. We're gonna do the leaves, not both. Oh my goodness. And last but not least, bookmarks. Bookmarks. Okay. And last but not least, the pumpkin. And this is Oldies 102.9 Radio. We're this a favorite. And bookmarks. Bam! Our film. Really already? It was Hannah, I think. Yeah, it was. I love you too. Okay. That's it. Our phone looking fresh. It's looking ready for fall. I just think everything looks so good on my phone. Okay, guys. This is going to be the end of this video. It has been a crazy summer, bitch, but we are finally back in. It's August. I'm ready to restart the entire year all over again on January 1st. 2020 has just been a fuck up, but it's not over yet. There's a lot more to go through and a lot more to do. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys. Love you. Mwah.